Press the Jingming Acupoint at the inner corner of the eye with the index finger. Lift upward using both hands' beauty fingers. Press the Yintang Acupoint with the beauty finger on the nose. The Yintang Acupoint is located in the area at the root of the nose. Next, on both sides of the nostrils, press the Yingshang Acupoint, followed by the Jiaolao Acupoint beside it, which is below the cheekbone, right at this location. Then, press the Quanlao Acupoint beside it. After that, slide our fingers down. 4 fingers along the jawline. Alternate pulling and rubbing with the thumb in this position. Press the Renzong Acupoint above and Chengjiang Acupoint below. You can circle from the corner of the mouth upward, or flick your fingers like this. After circling, knead the Dekang Acupoint at the corner of the mouth. Make sure to press firmly. Don't accidentally press into the mouth. On the slanting side below the corner of the mouth, above the jawline, press the Daying Acupoint. Then circle upward. Circle until above the masseter muscle. Find the muscle above the masseter. In the most concave part of the muscle, press the Cheek-Kar Acupoint. When pressing this acupoint, you may feel a tingling sensation. Then, use the scissor hand technique with force, not applying force on the way down. The index finger is in front. The beauty finger is behind. Stab several acupoints on the ear.